Give the barbecue showing.
What's wrong?
Tina, what off your eye?
Oh my gosh, your baby speaks a different language. You haven't fed him.
Is that what's happening?
Your baby don't talk no more. You still haven't fed him.
Somebody please give him some milk. Mama
Tay-Tay,
Titty,
can you go milk a cow and give this
do you
boy
want
some
Mama
milk?
Titty's milk?
Mama Titties, you got some milk?
Her name is Mama Titty.
I think my milk all ran out.
Mama, you got a lot of milk.
Trust me, look at this guy right here. This is my son. He's still trying to drink breastfeed. Your son said he don't love you. I adopted that child. Frankie, it's all right, because, you know, he's a stubborn child. He get it from his daddy. We blessed him at the lake. He's a good boy now. Isn't that right, son? He's talking to you.
Mama, what you gonna do about me not eating?
I'm sorry, but my milk is expired now.
I thought your milkshakes bring all the guys to the yard.
I guess not.
37 years, my milk's been running. It's expired. Mama Titty got some. Please, Mama Titty, I need your
Auntie
help.
Alicia, you see our family falling apart.
I would do something. Yeah, it's your mama's problem, not mine. I got 7 kids.
Well, what do I do? It's either he die or he drinks out of milk.
Why don't you ask Pastor Matthew over here?
Why don't we just ask our slaves to come in here so I could drink their
Do
milk?
you want chocolate milk or do you want regular milk?
Anything to keep me alive.
They even got some strawberry milk.
Coming from where?
Them Samoan girls.
From that island that we were at down there.
Oh, yeah? Well, I don't want to go there. Auntie, that's
That's slave.
Oh.
That was my slave, but she gave me a shit pie and used my toilet.
Mario.
Lexus. Lexus.
You fed me, Mama, when
Lex.
you left me home alone with her. Them two, Maggie Bay and Gertie.
Maggie, please, we want to give her some of your
No, they
milk.
fed me behind your back.
I already gave my milk. I don't have no more milk on the left side because he sucked it all there.
Baby, you know you got to save some for the other days.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
I have a cow. Her name is Betty.
Can we roast her?
No, you can't. She has milk for you, silly. But your mama gotta suck it out.
Mama, can you go suck it out for me?
With her bare mouth.
Can you demonstrate, Mama?
No. Now you're gonna pretend these things right here are my udders. I want you to suck them.
No.
Mama, you
Do
said
it for
you
the
love
life of
me.
your baby.
You do anything for me.
We got 2 other kids.
But the biggest one's gonna save you.
Mama, I'm getting stimpy. You're making me wait too long.
Her up. Now get on over here and sit on my lap.
No, I ain't gonna suck nothing.
So you don't care about
My
your
mouth
baby.
is still a virgin.
You lie.
Mama, you didn't say that last time. I seen what you did with our butler.
What did she do with the butler?
I walked in and she was using her mouth.
She was massaging stuff. With
Y'all
her
are
mouth.
damn dirty. This is a Christian house.
You were just baptized yesterday. This happened 4 days ago.
That's not
You
right.
mouth massaging monkey.
Mama, why you messing with our butler?
We don't have a butler.
We do have butlers.
Since when?
I thought you said we were rich.
We got maids.
Your mama lied. You guys are on welfare.
Mama, is that true?
No,
You
son.
said we rich.
She had food
There ain't
stamps.
nothing wrong with welfare.
There's not. I actually have 10 food stamp cards. I'm rich off of state money.
My mama said
Now
we don't
you
live
just
off of the
trashy.
state.
I thought you smart enough to have 8 children from different days.
And 10 free food stamp cards. And your baby is starving. You need to get on food
Well,
stamps.
you probably should give my mama one of your food stamps.
I
You over
can't.
here talking about how poor of a mom
can't.
she is. What
I
kind of auntie
can't.
are you?
I'm dating 2 small and man, by the way. And they're big, hungry men.
Ho.
Well, one I need for the left, one I need for the right.
You are so trashy, sister.
At least I'm real about it, you mouth massage monkey.
You need to stop putting my business out like that.
Your baby did it for you.
And Teddy, what you laughing
You
at?
see your sister's
You
going
just
at
lost
it.
your son. He don't love you.
I got plenty of kids.
Oh my God.
Weird. I thought that was your only one. He was an orphan child.
No, I got kids all over the world. I'm an undercover hoe right here.
Undercover, you out of the cover now.
Mama
I
T.
can hold the truth anymore.
What you say, son? Say that out loud so she can hear.
No, everything's getting put out on the table today.
She got some what? Soy milk?
No, spoiled milk.
Oh, I thought I heard that. And
Well-
Teddy, what you doing feeding him some spoiled milk?
I don't feed him anymore.
You don't even change his
You
diaper.
adopted him.
But you don't even change his diaper.
I'm tired of this family. We have way too much drama.
No, we don't. They just bring it
You
all
and your
in
sisters
here.
just don't get along.
Oh, I get along with my sisters when I
I'll
don't
adopt
see
you.
them.
We'll be going to eat at restaurants all day, every day.
I love the sound of that.
Son, is this your girlfriend?
No, because that's my other daughter. And she just came out of jail 2 weeks ago.
Because I haven't seen her in a while.
Well, look at her. She's done developed perfectly.
How old are you?
Why didn't you tell me that this
I'm
was my
old
cousin?
You sit far away from my baby.
This is your daughter? Mama, you didn't tell me that we were cousins.
Why? What you guys do?
We didn't do a damn thing. I was just going to help him out and take him to the restaurant because you never fed him. I know I fed you, but she didn't feed you.
And I only eat one thing. You fed me.
Okay, well, my baby, she takes after her
Your
mama.
left.
That was on my lap.
Scenario, he can have your ride.
Oh, no.
Are you
No
running
wonder
out of
why
milk?
my left is bigger than my
Son, why are you complaining about not being fed?
Mama, because I miss your milk.
But you already had some of hers.
But you didn't tell me we were cousins.
I didn't know. I thought that was your girlfriend. I didn't meet
See, this is what
her.
happens when you and Auntie Alicia don't get along.
Aunt Felicia, why are all your kids in jail?
Because I want them protected. I know what they do at all times. Look at you. You got your baby dating my baby.
Your baby should know.
Your baby, no.
My baby was trying to help your baby starving over
Auntie
here.
Alicia, your daughter came up in my room while I was sleeping.
She came without a top or with the top on.
She only had her t-shirt and her panties on.
No, you got that wrong. I had my t-shirt on and nothing on the bottom.
Seems like she been in jail for too long.
She just got out 2 weeks ago. How did you guys have 2 weeks to do all this?
She moved pretty fast.
Sure do.
That's just a shame.
Well, at least
Now
she-
y'all
she
gonna have
moves fast.
inbred child
Now your baby's gonna come out with 3 legs.
and 2 heads.
That's gonna be her baby.
Oh goodness.
Because I see her with the butler too.
You did not.
I did too.
Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country five and hip hop it. Put your heart in the sky from side to side. Jump to the left, stick it, glide.